This is Varsha's Education Academy. See, in this session we are going to cover the subject of digital electronics and the topic is Boolean algebra. See, in Boolean algebra, already we have seen one topic regarding this, related to this topic. See, that is minimum number of NAND gates. See, already we have solved so many problems under the topic of minimum number of NAND gates. In this session, we are going to see some examples based on minimum number of NOR gates required to implement the following function. See, major we have to follow two main steps in order to find the minimum number of NOR gates required to implement any Boolean algebraic expression. Right? See, for NAND gate, there will be two rules or two steps we should follow. What are those two steps? See, for NAND gate, I am saying again, listen carefully. See, for NAND gate, it should be in SOP format. SOP means what? Sum of products, right? So, there will be two product terms and they have center we are having plus a sign. That is said to be sum of products. So, if they are asking us to find the minimum number of NAND gates, then we have to follow SOP format. See, in this session we are going to see minimum number of NOR gates. So, NOR gate in the sense we should follow POS format. POS in the sense product of sum. See, here we are having two sum terms. At center we are having multiplication symbol. That is product symbol, right? So, we are just producting these two sum terms. Have you all understood? Now, our second step is just the AND OR implementation. Our second step is just the AND OR implementation of the given function. So, after converting the given function into the POS format, we have to implement it in AOI format. Now, let's see the first example. See, y is equal to x bar. See, we can say this x bar. It is also called as NOT gate, right? See, in our last session, we have seen one tabulation like this. That is basic gates, number of NAND gates and number of NOR gates. In this basic gates, we had some OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate like this. See, likewise, we can say, on seeing the question itself, we can say for NOT gate, we will require the minimum number of NOR gates as 1. Here I am solving how to get that one NOR gate to implement this NAND gate. See, I am giving the input as x. X is the two terminals. So, by giving the input to the NOR gate, we are getting the output as x plus x bar. This x plus x represents x. So, x bar. Finally, our given function is obtained by using one NOR gate. Second example, see y is equal to p plus q. We can say this p plus q as simple OR gate, right? So in our last session we have given one tabulation that represents how many number of NOR gates represent to design this basic OR gate in the sense they have mentioned it as 2, right? So 1, 2. I am explaining now how we need two NOR gates to design this basic OR gate. See, first our two inputs here, right? P and Q. So, I just introduced this P and Q inputs over this NOR gate, first NOR gate. So, we are getting our output as P plus Q the whole bar. And this P plus Q whole bar is given as the input to our second NOR gate, but the two inputs are same, P plus Q the whole bar. So, our output of the second NOR gate will be P plus Q bar plus P plus Q bar the whole bar. So, after applying De Morgan's theorem will do what? Splitting this entire bar and making this plus as product. Making the sum as product, right? So, P plus Q double bar into P plus Q double bar. So, which makes us the value of P plus Q double bar. A into A gives A, right? So, P plus Q double bar. So, this double bar get cancelled. So, our final answer will be P plus Q. This is our given expression. So, our finally we are obtaining our given expression. See the fourth example, that is y is equal to p into r plus q. See, this is our given function. We are going to implement the given function in terms of NOR gate, right? In the p we can write it as p plus p, right? So P, we can write that P as P plus P. Why? Because P plus P is equal to, that is PRP, which gives us the value of P. So we are rewriting P as P plus P into R plus Q. So this is in the format of product of sum terms, right? There were two sum terms and we are producting it. So it is in the form of product of sum, right? Now we are implementing that expression in terms of NOR gate. So P and P are the inputs of first NOR gate and R and Q are the inputs of second NOR gate. Then these two outputs are connected to our third NOR gate. So our final output will be P into R plus Q. Final output of the third NOR gate is P into R plus Q, right? That is our given function. Hence finally we are obtaining our given function, right? So to implement the given function, there were minimum number of NOR gates required is 3, right? Now we will see the fifth example. See, now we will see our example 5, that is y is equal to P into Q. So P into Q in the sense AND gate, right? So we can write that P as P plus P and Q as Q plus Q. Why we are writing in this manner? Why? Because it should be in product of sum format. In order to implement the given function in NOR gate, we have to convert the given function into the product of sum format. So I am rewriting that P as P plus P and Q as Q plus Q, right? Now we have formed one equation, P plus P into Q plus Q. It is in the format of product of sum terms. There were two sum terms and producting out, right? Now we are going to implement these functions using NOR gate. So P and P are connected as the input of the first NOR gate. Q and Q are connected to the inputs of the second NOR gate. These two inputs are connected to the third NOR gate. These two outputs are connected to the third NOR gate in order to get the function as P dot Q, that is P and Q, right? This is our given function. Finally we obtained our given function by implementing the given function using 3 NOR gates, right? So the minimum number of NOR gates required to implement the given AND gate is 3 NOR gates, right? Now we will enter into the problem number 6. This is somewhat tricky problem. Please listen carefully. Let us y is equal to AD plus BE plus CD plus BD plus AE plus CE. See, we just want to implement the given function using NOR gates, right? So first I am taking the common alphabets outside. Why? Because we need one format to implement the NOR gate easily. That format is said to be POS format, that is product of sum terms. So in the kuduthirukka equation we have to convert into the POS format, right? So I just taking A common outside. There were two A terms, AD, AE, right? So I just taken out A. So A into D plus E. Then BE and BD is there. So I just taken B common outside. So into E plus D plus C into D plus E, right? So I just taken D plus E as common, then A plus B plus C. See, now listen carefully. It is in the format of sum of products, right? It is in the format of sum of products. Here center we are having product, not in the format of product of sum, right? Sorry. This is in the format of product of sum. These two are sum terms we are producting over there, right? So A plus B plus C into D plus E. First, in that A plus B plus C, I just splitting that B plus C alone. We can say that B plus C is an OR gate, right? So in our in our second problem we have seen the number of NOR gates required to implement OR gate is 2, right? See, we can replace that OR gate with O. So A plus O into D plus E. This is generic AND gate format. See, this is generic AND gate format. So what is the number of NOR gates required, that is 3 NOR gates. So here for O, it requires 2 NOR gates. So totally 5 NOR gates required to implement the given function. See, listen carefully. To implement this OR gate alone, that is B plus C alone, we need 2 NOR gates. Please, if you are having doubt, please refer our second example. To implement this function, we need 3 NOR gates. In our previous example, we have seen this kind of problems, right? So product of sum terms. So I just replace this B plus C as O because of that OR gate, right? So it requires 3 NOR gates. So totally 2 plus 3, 5 NOR gates. So minimum number of NOR gates required to implement the given function y is 5 NOR gates. Right? So the answer for the given question is 5 NOR gates. Right? Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel. If you are having doubts, please mention it in the comment box. Thank you again.